This is Ormskirk parish church now, that's where we are now in Lancashire. What's this bell do? Does that ring sometimes? What does that bell sound like? Is it a nice sound? So what does that bell sound like? That one there. That one there, what does it sound like? Is it a nice noise?
No. Oh, the bell.
For the spire church, I've never heard it.
The bell is only rung at certain times in the year. I couldn't tell you what time of year.
I just wanted to hear it. I'm on a tour actually.
No.
What's up with the clock? It's not working, is it? The clock, it stopped at 6 p.m.
It's all down to cost. You've got to get somebody. It costs an awful lot to get it changed.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I know there's 8 bells in this church here for ringing full circle.
Yeah.
I've rung here, but there are only 6 of
Yeah.
them.
See, we can't even go up in the town now.
Do they ring still?
Because it's all full of pigeon poo.
Oh,
Yeah.
do they still ring?
Sorry?
Do they still have a practice here?
No, not now.
Oh.
Yes, in the bells here, in the church bells you do. Yeah.
Ah, yeah, because I've heard them before, but I just want to see if
You want
anything.
to walk around the church?
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm doing, and I want to hear the
I can
church.
give you, if you want to interest you, the history of the church.
And the bells, yeah, I'm looking for a book on it, that's what I'm looking for. Yeah. So this is Ormskirk Church inside now. Oops, sorry, that's my back came up. Sorry. Hey dear. Oh, hang on. Sorry. This is Ormskirk Parish Church inside. Lovely inside.
Oh yes, we've been told you there with the video.
But then,
Your friends are halfway round.
I know. I'm just looking for the bells. A picture of the bells and a book about them, so I can give it to my friend.
Bell, it's a bell.
Book. Church bell book, so I can pick one up.
Yeah. Now, down there is a bell, and it's one ton.
Alright.
In weight. You'll see it as you go down. A big bell.
Oh, I thought that was a
It's
clock.
tower in that.
Alright. Do the inside here and then I'll do the outside and then that's just somebody else talking, there's no one here. Just me. Oh there, Big Ben. from Ormskirk Parish Church in Lancashire. Sorry the clock's not going, it's going to cost money to fix it. But anyway, at least it's a church. My friend Graham. And that's very neat. Yeah. Excuse me. I'm going yet, I'm just doing church round again.
Depends how you are.